How to fix retrieving information from server error in Play Store. First solution. Let's go menu. Okay. Select settings options. Let's go add option. Click add options. Okay. Let's go Google Play Store option. Click here. Select storage option. Okay. Clear cache. Okay. Click here. Back. Select back menu or back menu. Sorry. Let's go add option and setting options. Okay. Select Google Play Service. Select storage, clear cache. Okay. Clear cache. Manage space, clear all data. Okay. Select option, clear all data. Back. Now force stock. Select option force stock. Okay. Third solution. Sorry. Let's go menu. Okay. Select settings options. Select account option. Click. Select Google option. Now select all associated accounts. Okay, remove accounts. Sorry.